it's me, Tonka. You might know me on Instagram. I finally got my suit in. This is it. There was a protective coating on it, but now I finally have it. This is my first time ever having a suit. I will be putting the maker in the description because I can't really remember it right now. But here it is. I'm so excited. I'm very excited for the suit. Let's not dilly-dally any further and open it up. I'm so excited. My heart is thumping. And hi Nicole. It's fine opening here. There's lots of tape. Very good cover. It's hard. This is hard corner. Oh, we have a box. There's a box in this box. Oh, here we go. We're opening it up. Oh, there's another sticky side over there. Let's get it. Here you go. Crap, here it is! Here it is. You can already see a little bit of the tail back there. Ah! Okay, let's see. Oh, look! They drew me! Ah! That's so cute! I hope you will like it. Oh, this is great! Oh my gosh, let's see what's inside of it. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. Oh, it's little accessories. This is my collar. This is collar that I wear. It's made out of felt and plush. It's really nice. I was not expecting this. The quality is so high quality. It's so nice. I love this. Okay, let's put this aside for now. A little cute bone. Aw, look how cute it is. A little plush bone. Some more accessories of mine. Okay, let's put this on. A little card here with your logo, I believe. More accessories. Yeah, I love these accessories. They're so cute. Made out of felt. So cute. Stickers of theirs. This seems to be their business card, or one of their cards. I like that. Oh, this is their business card, officially. Here they are. Just in case you want to know them. Here's this too. This is great. Okay, let's put this back so we can see the goods. Alright, let's peel this back. Here, let's pull out the obvious thing here. A little dusty there, that's okay. Oh, look at the inside. Here's her tail. This is her tail. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's squishy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cute. Little backing. Very secure. Oh, I love this so much. The tail is so big. I was not expecting it to be this big. Wow. It's so soft and plush. Oh, this is amazing. Alright. Here's the tail. Let's put this aside. I believe this is the head. We are going to save this one for last. We're going to save this one for last because we all know the unspoken rule about fursuiting is you always open the head last. Oh, what's this? A Chinese tree? This maker is in China, so I believe that this is a little treat. Oh no, it's a towel. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little towel. How kind of you. Thank you. I love it. When I use it, it's gonna be helpful when I go and clean it. And I believe this is her little paws. And they are. Well, needs a little brushing, but look at these beans! Oh! This is awesome. Oh, this is they're so soft and squished too. Oh, this is, oh. I am just blown away. Look at these beans. This is great. They're so soft and big. I was so excited. Look how big they are. Woo! I'm so excited about this. And here's the other pub. Here's the other pub. They're not matching, but that's her pattern, so yeah. Oh my goodness. And the best for last. Oh, wait. Is there something else in here? Oh, there is. Oh crap, look at that. It's their logo. It's so big. Wow. Okay. There's more things down here. Excuse me for a moment. I need both my hands for this. Ooh! Here's all the colors for her. Very handy. Thank you so much for this. This is going to be very helpful when I go get other makers for this. Because I'm planning on getting a full body soon, so maybe I'll do an unboxing of that as well. I think that is it for this one. Yep. Okay. Let's see what else. Well, this is the last one. It's you can probably guess what it is. It's the head. Ah. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh. This is so exciting. Oh, I think I need a knife. My knife for this one. Let me get this open. Be very careful, because this is the end. Oh, let me open this with both my hands, just so I can be safe. Give me a sec. There's her little cute, her head, her little boopers. Ah! Here she is. It's Tonka. Let me pull her out. I need both my hands for this again too. Give a sec. Here she is. Tonka. Oh my gosh. I love this. I can't get a good angle at this. Look at this. Oh my god. She's beautiful. She is absolutely stunning. Her hair needs a little bit of fixing, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Here she is. It's Tonka. Oh, she is beautiful. I was not expecting her to be so small. I kind of like that though. Her eyes are a little bit follow me. But oh my gosh, she's beautiful. I absolutely love that. Well, here she is, everyone. Tonka. I will be suiting up in just a moment. I'll be cleaning everything up and giving her... Oh my god, I love this. Okay, I'll see you guys later.